Brian has a sweet heavenly voice, like Urkel. And he appears every Friday night, like Urkel.
Well, your story is very compelling, Mr. Jackass. Simpson. So I'll just type it up on my invisible typewriter.
You don't have to humiliate me. I just torched a building downtown, and I'm afraid I'll do it again.
Oh, yeah, right. I'll just type it up on my invisible typewriter. Dum-dum-dum-dum. Fruitcake.